Quite a few individuals will contact me wanting to know about domestic contracts, and they end up saying to me, I think that the terms of my separation or my marriage contract are going to be very straightforward, and so I think I will draft the documents myself, or I'll use a kit from the internet. And while this is certainly something that they can do, there's some key issues that need to be considered. So aside from the fact that a family law lawyer will likely bring issues or considerations to light that neither party initially thought about, a lawyer is able to ensure that whatever is agreed upon is actually a binding agreement. The Family Law Act in Ontario states that a court may set aside a separation, cohabitation, marriage agreement if there is inadequate information provided by the parties and if a party did not fully understand the agreement. So when each party has a family law lawyer assisting them, the lawyers are going to ensure that the parties fully understand the agreement and that full disclosure of information has been provided to each party.